Hi my friends, welcome again. Very important course today, especially for beginners. I'm going to teach you all electronic components that you can find in any motherboard. So let's get started. Let's begin with the electrolytic capacitor. As you can see, we have here 330 microfarad, 2.5 volts. This is basically the color here means the negative terminal and the positive terminal, and over here we have plus. So this is polarized capacitors. But for those capacitors, this is ceramic capacitors. Over here we have coils or inductors, MOSFETs, a flat MOSFETs. You can find also this kind of MOSFETs, black color electrolytic capacitor, current sense resistor, IC, ACMD coils, resistors, diodes, cathode, anode, network resistors, BIOS, fuse resistors or shunt resistors, fuse, tantalum capacitors, this is not diode, yellow tantalum capacitor, positive terminal, negative terminal, this is polarized. Here we have C, reference, 8P MOSFETs, 3P MOSFETs, diode, ceramic capacitor, tantalum capacitor, crystal oscillator, clock generator IC for clock, dip switch, transistors, tantalum capacitors, positive terminal, negative terminal, ESIO, super IO, EC, embedded controller, LEDs, resistor. The third number is number of zeros. Shunt resistor, ceramic capacitors, inductors. Pay attention. This is not capacitors. This is inductors or coils. The black color for coil, this yellow or brown color for ceramic capacitors. So pay attention, especially beginners. Coil, crystal coil, L, crystal, Y, fuse, F. Mic, switch, SW, Zener diode, inductor, current sense resistor. I remember one of my friends tell me in the comment, this is not inductor, it's capacitor. My friend, here we have reference, PL. Here also we have another coil, PL. This is coil, my friend, not capacitor. Okay, that's why I told you, you have to master references. Without mastering references, you can fall in this kind of mistakes. So guys, I have a video in my channel about references. Mastering references is the shortcut to master hardware repair. Why guys? Here for example, here we have inductor L, this one, and this one is capacitor. So the same size, different color. This is inductor, this is capacitor. If you didn't master references, for example, beginner, you can replace this one by this one. This is not correct. This is capacitor, this is inductor. So guys, pay attention. Here we have diodes. This is normal diodes, and this one is Zener diode, a blue line over here. Coils, you see guys, coils, L. Voltage regulators, tantalum capacitors. So let's summarize a little bit. Let's pass through this board one by one. Tantalum capacitor, ceramic capacitors, MOSFETs, transistor, ceramic capacitors. Here we have IC, crystal, MOSFET, tantalum capacitor, inductors or coils. We have L for reference. Tantalum capacitor, positive terminal, negative terminal, a smallest one, tantalum capacitor, super IO, crystal, diode, crystal, IC, voltage regulators, MOSFET, IC, shunt resistor, crystal, current sense resistor, inductor, diode, MOSFET, coils, resistors. Let's see the other side, LEDs, MOSFET, coil, tantalum capacitor, IC, ceramic capacitors, PCH, CPU, RAM. For all the motherboards, we have the processor, not bridge, graphic card, ICH. For newest motherboard, we have just one chip, integrate all of them. The CPU, the motherboard, the graphic card, etc. So guys, I hope you understand this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos like this one. And of course, for anyone who wants to accelerate learning, you can join me in my Patreon page. And also you can check my website for more unique content. Check my Facebook group. All links in the description. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.